Can you describe the theater in Philadelphia? What did it look like, the Jewish theater?
They were stage play oriented. They looked like almost like miniature theaters because they were very much a theater, each one.
Did it have a red curtain?
I think it was a dark curtain. I don't remember how red it might have been. But it was like, I imagine the theaters were in Europe in the early 1800s. The boxes were prominent on both sides of the theater. The boxes were almost on the stage. And the actors seemed to be always aware of them. And there would be some communication. The actor would say something, throw a kiss to someone sitting in a box.